Welcome to Narisaki. Today we are making dal. This is one of my favorite dal, comfort food. Very easy to make, and you can take different combinations of dal, so it gives different nutrients. So here I've taken moong dal and red lentils, masoor dal. You can take tur dal. You can mix a little bit of each. Change the quantity. Tastes amazing. So first I'm going to rinse it very nicely. I scrub the lentils and pulses before soaking them, so any fertilizer or anything it gets rid of. This water I use to water my plants, and then you can soak it in water depending on how much time you have. The soaking is good if you are getting gas after eating lentils and pulses. Always soak them for a longer time. So now this is soaked. You can add fresh water, or you can use the same water, add some salt and turmeric, and I'm going to pressure cook it, or you can cook it also in a pot. And let's do the seasoning. So you have taken ghee. You can also use oil, but ghee gives a very nice flavor. Once you add the ghee, make sure the gas stove is low because ghee gets burnt very easily. Now goes in mustard seeds, and all these spices help to release the gas along with giving flavor. So mustard seeds are spluttering. Add cumin seeds. I'm adding green chilies as per your taste and how spicy you want. I like the flavor of dal, so don't want to make it too spicy. Some curry leaves, and this smells so good. The ghee, curry leaves and green chilies combination is really superb. Then I'm going to add tomatoes. My tomatoes are nice and red, so ripe tomatoes will give a nice flavor. And we are going to just saute it to release all those flavor. So saute it for 1 or 2 minutes, and throughout this keeping my gas to low. After adding mustard seeds and mustard seeds started spluttering, I putting the gas to low. Asafoetida, and chopped cilantro. I'm going to keep some chopped cilantro for seasoning and for later on, but now I'm adding it here. And chopped cilantro will give a nice flavor. You can also add spinach, fenugreek, methi. That will also give a nice flavor. Any greens, microgreens you have, you can add. I'm adding a little bit of salt, so tomatoes get cooked very easily. And I'm going to cover it and cook tomatoes only for about 3 to 4 minutes until they are soft, so and all the flavors are released. My dal is cooked very nicely, and I'm going to make hot rice and fried mushrooms. I'm going to share the recipe of the fried mushrooms in the description in the link. Now the tomatoes are cooked very nicely. Now they're soft and mushy. Now I'm going to add dal to this, and you can make this and store it in the freezer. Once after it gets cooled down, you can make it in a bigger quantity. I'm going to add water. Check the consistency of dal and then add water accordingly, because as it cooks it will get thick. And also you can taste it and add salt if it's needed. Rest of the ingredients you don't need anything, because all this seasoning, it smells so good and tastes good. Give it one boil, and I try, if the tomatoes are not too sour, then I try to add some lemon juice, but I'm going to put off the gas stove and add the lemon juice. I like that fresh taste of lemon juice. So gas is off. I'm going to add lemon juice and some chopped cilantro. Serve this with hot rice, and it tastes so good. Believe me, please try this recipe and let me know. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe Narisaki for more videos.